you often have to scratch your itchy scalp. This can be embarrassing in public, and cause a lot of discomfort and even hair loss. Some of the most common causes are dandruff, dry scalp, sebaceous cysts, excessive anxiety, poor hair care, fungus and viral infections, and poor diet. Many ways are there by which you can treat an itchy scalp without spending a lot of money. You can use some common kitchen ingredients to treat itchy scalp. Few are discussed here. One. Tea tree oil. Tea tree oil, with its powerful natural antifungal, anti-inflammation and antibacterial properties, can be used to treat itchy scalp. Various ways to use tea tree oil. Add 10 to 20 drops of tea tree oil to 1/2 cup of baby shampoo and use it daily until the condition of your scalp improves. Another option is to dilute 2 or 3 drops of tea tree oil in 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil and massage the mixture onto your scalp. With regular use, this remedy will heal a dry, itchy scalp within a week or 2. 2. Lemon juice. It will help treat an itchy and dry scalp because of its antiseptic properties. It is particularly useful when dealing with dandruff. You can simply apply fresh lemon juice thoroughly on the scalp. Leave it on for 5 minutes and then shampoo your hair. Alternately, you can mix lemon juice with yogurt and apply it on your scalp for a few minutes before washing your hair with a mild shampoo. Repeat at least daily until itchiness and dryness disappears. 3. Baking soda. It helps relieve itching by exfoliating the scalp and controlling dandruff caused by overactive fungi. Make a paste with baking soda and water and apply it directly onto your scalp. For best results, rub some olive oil on your scalp before applying the baking soda paste. Allow it to soak into your scalp for 10 to 15 minutes and then rinse well with water. 4. Apple cider vinegar. It has powerful anti-inflammation properties that help kill the yeast and virus that can cause itchy scalp. Also, apple cider vinegar balances the pH levels of the scalp, which may help relieve itching and dryness. Rinse your hair and scalp with water and allow it to dry. Mix equal amounts of apple cider vinegar and water and pour the mixture into a spray bottle. Apply this mixture directly onto your scalp with the help of cotton balls. Spray it on your scalp. After few minutes, shampoo with normal water. Follow this remedy once or twice a week. 5. Aloe vera. It contains moisturizing properties, which may relieve excessive dryness and itching. If fresh aloe vera gel is not available, you can purchase the gel. Spread some fresh aloe vera gel onto your scalp using your fingers. Allow it to sit for 10 to 15 minutes and then wash your hair with a mild shampoo. 6. Coconut oil. It creates a barrier that helps keep skin moisturized and hence it is an effective way to treat an itchy scalp. Rub a little coconut oil onto the scalp after washing your hair. Your scalp when it is clean. Leave it on for at least half an hour and then wash it out with a perfume-free shampoo. Follow this simple remedy 3 times a week. Another option is to gently heat coconut oil so that it melts. Add it to your shampoo before washing your hair. 7. Bananas. It will treat your itchy scalp while also conditioning your hair. The nourishing and moisturizing properties in bananas will also reduce flakes, dandruff and inflammation. Simply mash 2 bananas and mix them together with 1 ripe avocado. Apply this mixture to your scalp. Allow it to sit for half an hour and then rinse thoroughly. 8. Sesame seed oil. It is highly nourishing, healing and lubricating, making it an effective treatment for a dry scalp and give you relief from itchiness. Heat some sesame oil to warm it slightly. Massage your scalp with the warm oil before going to bed each night. For best results, massage the scalp with your fingertips for at least 10 minutes. Wrap your head in a hot towel and leave it on for about 10 minutes before going to bed. When this oil remains on the scalp all night, it provides optimum moisturizing. Shampoo and rinse your scalp and hair thoroughly in the morning. Continue this treatment as long as necessary. 9. Witch hazel. It is a natural astringent that can help relieve itchy scalp. This herb is beneficial when you have an itchy scalp due to hair coloring and daily blow drying. Mix 1 part witch hazel with 2 parts water. Pour the mixture onto your scalp and massage thoroughly. Let it sit for a few minutes. Wash and rinse your hair and scalp thoroughly. 10. Jojoba oil. It is a great natural moisturizing treatment to relieve a dry and itchy scalp. The molecular structure of jojoba oil is closest to that of our own natural oil or sebum, which makes it a very effective rejuvenating and hydrating treatment. Massage a small amount of jojoba oil onto your scalp for a few minutes before going to bed. Leave it on overnight. In the morning, wash your hair with a mild shampoo. Repeat this remedy once a week.
Like a Hellcat.